Hello, my name is Russ Merrick. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of Merrick Machine Company located here in Allen, Nebraska. Today what we have here for you, we're going to go through some of the accessories that are available to you on our rotisserie. If you buy a rotisserie and you're going to restore your car or your shop, or you're just a guy doing it out of his garage, you want to buy a rotisserie, what are you going to do with the rotisserie when you're not got your body on it? You need to make some money with it, especially you shops. Well, here's a couple things you can do. Number one, the standard rotisserie, take half of it. You can actually buy, this is an engine attachment that actually go on here, so you can go ahead and spin things. And yet what we've actually done here is there's another bar right here, and there's one more right here. And what we've done is we've gone ahead and we've mounted, here you got two different views here, now you can kind of see them. These bars that we have here, these are the rear end axle adapters that actually go on an engine stand. Now this could be an engine stand that actually goes on a rotisserie, or it could be an engine stand that you buy that's currently out on the market. You can go ahead and take these adapters. I'll try and get a different shot here for you. What you've actually got is an armature that comes out. It's a weldment, one on the side towards me and one towards the front of the screen. And then you've got a clamp bar on the opposite side. Hopefully get a good shot of that. And you got a bolt holding it. So we're actually squeezing. We're coming in here and we're squeezing right on the rear end, on the pipe itself. So we're doing that not only on the right side of the screen, on the left side of the screen that you're seeing, but also on the right side of the screen. So both sides you're squeezing each and every time. That's actually going to hold the rear end. So one guy, operator for example, you've got a spring-loaded pin. I can go ahead and dial this down, spring-loaded system. So if I'm going to do a rear end and I want to work on the brakes and I want to get this to a good height, and I'm going to start working on the gears and so forth, I can take this rear end and I can rotate this 90 degrees before I clamp it down, and now I'm actually looking right down, working on the gears. You're going to have to replace the rear end, you're changing out, you're trying to make them faster and so forth. You're putting higher ratios in there. So once again, you've got the, I'll spin this around, you've got the rotisserie that's available. It's a Merrick original product, okay? When you're not using your rotisserie, you can go ahead and buy an engine and mounts or engine stands that go on here, and an axle adapter. Axle adapter will go ahead and fit on this engine stand on your rotisserie. Put this in your shop, try and make money with it. Work on your rear ends or work on your engines without these adapters on them. We're just showing the features of this. You can see some of our other videos where we actually have engines attached to rotisserie, half rotisserie. So you could have an engine on one half of the rotisserie, and you could have a rear end on the other, or two engines, one on each rotisserie. The rotisserie itself has got 6-inch swivel casters on it, which makes it really nice to roll around in your shop, wherever you may be, whether you've got an engine on there or not. The beauty of having the engine on here is you've still got the pin system, which is kind of unique to our product line. It's spring-loaded, so I can pull it back, spin it around, and wants to lock in each and every time. I can also disengage the pin system as I pull it out, and I can go ahead and crank it and manually push it in, and then go ahead and relocate the pin system. Once again, this is the rotisserie. It's half a rotisserie, which you can purchase independently from the complete rotisserie that's available. You can go online and look us up at theautorotisserie.com or go to theautodolly.com. Or if you got any more questions, you want other accessories, call the factory at 1-800-568-7423. There's dealers online where you can actually buy some of these great accessory products. You can buy our rotisseries, you can buy our car dollies. Go see us online. You need these in your shops. They'll help you make money. Once again, my name is Russ Merrick, and I'd like to thank you for your time.